again, what we just saw playing out on that smaller time frame down here, which led to this rally in the last 2 weeks, right? So we reaccumulated down here, we broke out, and we got the large move up here, which is this. All right. Now, on the larger time frame, you can see we are doing the exact same thing, right? This was the top of our first wave, or the top of our uptrend move, and we came back down, and we are essentially reaccumulating right here. Out of this channel, coming back, back testing it, and then beginning the rally up, right? Now again, this rally up, it could be a head fake, right, in the wave count. It could be that B wave, and we get some up here somewhere, and then we come back down. Or it could just be the beginning of a rally, that's going a lot higher. This could be a 5-wave move, and this could be our second, and this could be another 5-wave move. I don't want to make it too confusing, but the idea is that once we get to the top of this channel, we should get this same sort of movement that we got on the smaller time frame. Get this rally over here, get to or break all-time highs, and then we'll see from there. We can't jump too far ahead, but essentially right now, guys, the overall picture is extremely bullish. Recent price action, increase in volume, the wave count, what I see playing out in the fractal, different fractals of the stock price action, everything looks extremely bullish in my opinion. So hopefully, I kind of made my thesis on that clear, and the argument, I hope I made it clear. Sometimes there's just so much information that it's hard for me to kind of articulate it all in a video, but hopefully like the overall picture makes sense on why I'm extremely bullish about Tesla, and I can see us easily going to $400. All right, so it's not hype, it's not clickbait. When you guys see the thumbnail and it says $400 Tesla, I really do see the stock getting there, and I think I've kind of laid out my arguments for that from the technicals. Hey everybody, what's going on? Welcome back to Third Wave Trades. So what you guys just saw there was my analysis on Tesla stock back in June. I believe that video was made back when Tesla was trading at around $250 after this strong move. So turns out, we were right? Basically, we saw the stock getting to $400 by the end of the year. It is December 9th, I believe, or December 10th, and we are now currently trading at $408. So really pleased with how that analysis went, and that's just one of the stocks that we were looking at, right? And I'm not going to go into a detailed analysis of what I think is happening right now, but I will just say, this is the point where now new analysis has to come in. So like I said in that video, once we get to this point, then we're going to have to see what exactly we're doing, which wave count we're following. But basically, we were trading at $250, and I saw that there was a strong likelihood that we were going to get to the top of this channel and break all-time highs. And once we got there, then we're going to have to reevaluate. Now, what I do think, really quick that I could say from an accumulation standpoint or reaccumulation standpoint is that now that we got back to the top over here, I can see us probably for like a week, and this is a weekly chart, guys. So keep that in mind. Consolidating within this range for a little bit, and then once we break out of this range, we can go a lot higher, right? And we don't have to necessarily consolidate at the top of the channel. We could come back in. If we do come back into the channel, then it's not as strong as a move as we think. But we'll get into all that in future videos. I just kind of wanted to make this video to give you guys an update. So that's one thing, right? Tesla, because it's doing so well, I wanted to come in and start off with that, to show like, hey, look, this technical analysis stuff, it really works if you know what you're doing. And that's just one of the stocks. The last video that I made actually before I stopped uploading, before I got like really busy, and I'll talk about that in a second, was Upstart. Now Upstart was another situation where it was in an accumulation, and the last video that I made on it, I think it was back when the stock was trading at around $20, right? So we were somewhere around here, and um, I remember saying that there was a possibility that if we broke these lows, that we could come back to the bottom of the channel, and then the process will continue. But once we break these highs, um, we should be going long on Upstart. Like Upstart could really explode. And again, that was like back in June or maybe the beginning of August. And you know, we broke out of the channel. We made you know, highs at $46, came back, retested the channel, and now you can see we're basically in this phase E move up. Again, we're consolidating right here now, but I still see a lot more upside for Upstart as well. So I'm gonna post my I'll put links in the description, but you guys could just find it on my YouTube channel. The last videos that I made on Upstart and Tesla, and another one was actually Palantir. My drawings aren't on here for some reason, but you guys can check my last video where I was saying we could easily break $50. That's back when it was trading at, like, I think around 20, somewhere around the $20 to $25 range, and I said I could definitely see it doubling, and Palantir has been absolutely killing it the last few months. It is at $72 right now, and it looks really good, right? So those are just three of the stocks. Now, the other big elephant in the room, of course, is GameStop, and that's obviously what everybody has been asking me about while I've been gone. Now, this is the only one I would say from the, like, that hasn't turned out exactly how I would have hoped. And it's not that it hasn't turned out; it's just really taking its time to get there, right? So time is the hardest aspect when you're doing technical analysis. Price action, you know, there are a lot of different methods to try to figure out where price can go, what are the next moves, but how long it takes something to get there is really hard to tell, right? So we had a lot of false like breakouts and things over here. You guys can see basically from the volume all summer that there was no volume, and then, you know, I think that this was basically the spring move, and we kind of came back in to the channel, and now we kind of broke out. So over here, this is like the breakout and the retest of the channel, and I do think that GameStop is going to make the move, right? Like, it's just taking a lot longer, right? Whether that's because the stock is heavily shorted, manipulated, I don't really know all that stuff. All I do is look at the price action, the volume, and the technicals. And from the technicals, it still does look really good, right? Again, this is a daily chart, but if we go to the weekly chart, we are above our 30-week moving average. My charts are really messy right now, guys. I haven't had a chance to clean them up, but I will soon. This yellow line right here, that's our 30-week moving average. So we are above our 30-week moving average. It's possible we come back down and find support on that 30-week moving average before going higher. I know everybody's been talking about the Roaring Kitty meme, right? He dropped on Twitter. So I think there was it's like a video. It says Time, right? Like Time magazine, and it says 109, right? So people are speculating, could it be January 9th? And it's 109/420, right? So obviously everybody knows the meme value of 420. So I don't know. I don't know in terms of time, right? But I still am bullish on GameStop. I still think that we are going to get the same type of moves that I just showed you guys on Tesla and Upstart and even Palantir, right? Like, essentially that this was a reaccumulation move, and all we need is for that volume to come in. Once you guys see the volume, especially like on a weekly time frame, come in, that should be your indication that, okay, big money is now loading the boat and they're ready to go long, right? So I will make a detailed analysis on all of these stocks, coming soon. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update and kind of let you guys know also where I'm at right now with the channel and this community. So first off, and I know I'm rambling a little bit, but just bear with me, guys. I want to thank everybody who has subscribed, who continues to stay here, who continues to ask for updates. It really means a lot. And the reason why I haven't been here, I've had some personal things going on. I've been very busy with work. But then also, and more importantly for this community, is I've actually been in contact with a partner, somebody who I've been working with, who now we've decided to partner up. Last year, I started a Discord channel. It was just too much for me at the time. I couldn't do it by myself because, like I said, I have a lot of things going on, right? And because I'm also full time working, or well, I was. So part of the news is that I've decided to take a step back from my from work. I was recently enrolled on a contract. That contract has just come to an end. So as of right now, I'm not working, and I don't think that I'm going to go back. Right. So I plan on being here a lot, a lot more now. Right. So now I've definitely had that space of window, or that window of space rather, open up. So I have a lot more time. I will be posting more videos on YouTube, but like I was mentioning, now I actually have time to start up the Discord again. And the Discord is going to be between me and my partner. We will be running it. I will be doing a lot of analysis. He is a professional day trader for roughly 8 years, 8 or 9 years, and he's really, really good. We've talked a lot about the market and our different strategies, and I think it's going to be something that would be really beneficial for this community. So, um, I will post another video kind of showing you guys what the Discord looks like. It's very similar to what it was before if you guys were there, but you will be getting a lot of day trade calls, and I can show you guys some of it right now as well. Um, and you'll be getting detailed analysis from myself on a bunch of different stocks and tickers and market analysis and things like that. So as well as like educational content, which I've also been working on, how to use Elliott wave, how to use Wyckoff accumulation and things like that. So this way you guys can use it and try to implement it into your own trading strategies, right? So um, that Discord will go live. I'll just show you guys really quick. So this is an example of the Discord right here, and you guys can see this is where you will be getting analysis um, on SPY, Triple Q, Tesla, um, all kinds of things, different stocks, and I'm working on different technical analysis courses and tutorials for you guys. But where my partner comes in and where he really helps a lot is with his day trade alerts, right? So we've basically come up with a way that you can get his trades live. And some of these are mine as well. They're really both of ours. But again, he is more of a day trader. That's more of the strategy he likes to use. I'm more of a swing trader, small to uh, or short to long-term day swing trades. So between the two of us, I think we offer a lot of good value on the market, right? So if you guys are interested in this, and I'll just show you some examples. Tesla, we were just talking about. You guys can see December 5th, I think it was. We got into some Tesla calls, right? These 370 calls. We bought them at 364 a contract. We sold them. We sold 1/4 of our position at 454. Sold another fourth of our position at 542. Here was a coin play, right? Where we bought and we sold. This was a risky play. Here we sold some more Tesla calls. Another fourth of our position at 680. We held some 400 calls. We bought those on the 5th as well. So it's basically what I'm saying is that you'll get our live trade alerts whenever we're going in with our entries, what price we got in, what price we took profit for our day trades. On our swing trades, that's kind of like where you'll be getting the detailed analysis that you normally see on my YouTube channel. Um, that's what you'll be getting for the swing trades, like where we think that this is a great place to go long, and whether it's stocks, whether it's crypto, whatever it is, you'll be getting the detailed analysis, right? So I will still be posting on YouTube. It won't be as frequently. It'll probably be maybe once a week, maybe on the weekends. But I will be posting a lot. There will be a lot of information that will be going to my Discord channel, right? So again, the plan is for us to go live um, with uh, with our Discord probably by next week, I'll say. And so if you guys are interested in it right now, um, it's there is a 14-day free trial if you guys are interested in it. So you guys can test it out for 14 days. If you guys like it, if it works for you guys, then then great. Then stick around. If you guys don't, then then it's not for you. There's a whole lot of traders out there. There's a whole bunch of different strategies. But if you guys have been subscribed here for a long time, if you guys like the videos that I put out and the content, and if it's been helpful for you guys, then consider joining, right? Consider joining. I'll give you guys a lot more information on this, but I was really excited to bring this to you guys. And so I apologize for being gone for 6 months, but it's really because I've been working on this behind the scenes with my partner, and we're really excited to start this journey, right? So you'll be seeing a lot more of me, hearing a lot more of me. I'll keep you guys posted on any other stocks. And again, as always, thank you guys so much for all your support. And if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, any stocks you guys want to see, let me know in the comment section below. I know today is also GameStop's earnings. I forget if I mentioned that. So I'm waiting to see how GameStop reacts with their earnings, right? Like how the earnings come out and what the price of the stock does, and then I will be posting a GameStop update based off of that information. But until then, I guess just hold tight, guys, and I'll let you know more information soon about the Discord. If you guys are interested, let me know in the comment section also if you guys would be interested in joining. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace.